Very good evening to one and all. I feel extremely fortunate to be a member of the club which has a glorious history of 27 years. Rotary Club of Jalgaon West has a legacy to serve a community, and the club works according to Rotary's motto, Service Above Self. It is a very pleasurable moment for me to present the secretarial report of the club for the Rotary year 2019-20 as a club secretary. Our installation ceremony, a day to cherish, Dr. Sushil and myself took charge as president and secretary of the club respectively. Our talented dynamic team, board of directors for the Rotary year 2019-20. Rotary works on these 5 avenues of service: club, vocational, community, international and youth. Rotary International has highlighted 6 areas of focus, and considering these areas, 75 plus projects and programs have been done. Here are the glimpses of some of the projects and events. Community service, non-medical projects, medical projects. First day of our tenure started with the project to safeguard our environment. First the tree plantation at Rotary Bhavan, and then inauguration of waste plastic collection box at 2 different locations of the city. And the concept behind this was to keep city clean and free of plastic scrap by recycling it. 3 days exhibition was organized for the things made by rag picker children of Anand Ghar. It provided them a platform for their creativity and also the financial support. Rugna Sahayog, it is an permanent ortho library having all rehabilitation equipments like water beds, wheelchairs, airbed, and is operated free of cost for needy people. This was a joint project in association with Innerville Club of New Gen. Gappa Indiashi, this was a joint project with Asha Foundation, a social organization. A series of career guidance for our youngsters and parents to choose their career in different fields. 12 sessions were planned throughout the year, but due to pandemic, 7 sessions were arranged. We invited well-known personalities from different fields to guide the parents and the youngsters to choose their career out of the box, like NCL scientist Dinesh Sawant, a dynamic young BCCI umpire Anish Sahasrabuddhe, who guided the students about the various career opportunities in cricket apart from playing the crickets. Unique personality Padma Bhushan Dr. Jayanta Narlikar, researcher Ajinkya Kotawar, polar woman Dr. Madhubala Joshi, the most youngest and talented speaker Ms. Gargi Bavsar, and a mountaineer Umesh Jhirpe. We got a huge response in all sessions, and multiple sections of the societies got benefited due to these informative sessions. We had done canal deepening project with our RCC team of Gadegaon village. It has brought a sigh of relief to the villagers in this critical pandemic situation, as crores of liters of water is stored in this canal. Around 2,000 farmers and villagers are benefited by this project. Virtual impairment is second most important physical impairment after limb deformity. So we decided to help these blind children to shape their future. We provided them an opportunity to bring a difference in their lives with technological advancement. This was a joint project with Rotary Club of Kalyan Riverside, District 3142, in which we donated 3 sets of computers with real-time camera and a talking software to blind school at Chalisgaon. This will certainly provide a great impetus and will make the students independent and secure potential jobs in future. Stop NCD project was organized, one at Rotary Bhavan during Navaratri, another at District Court for the lawyers and the judges. Total 526 people were examined. On the occasion of World Cancer Day, mobile van was arranged for 2 days in the various parts of the city to spread awareness regarding this dreadful disease of cancer. And a free cancer detection camp was arranged under the medical team of Dr. Sachin Ingle, a renowned oncologist, in which 46 people were examined and 7 doubtful cases underwent through different examination process like endoscopy, etc., free of cost. Natural disasters are uncertain. We never know how natural calamities will affect the human life. Corona pandemic affected the whole world and the situation worsened. In that situation, our club took a step ahead to serve the common people with all means. In association with the Indian Red Cross Society, 2 mobile vans fully equipped with thermal scanner, sanitizer bottles, masks and doctors moved from place to place to do health checkups of fruit sellers and vegetable vendors during this pandemic of Corona. 726 vegetable vendors were examined, and vendors without masks, gloves, sanitizers were provided as per their requirements. Our club has taken one more initiative in this pandemic of Corona by building up 2 sanitizer chambers, one at Corona OPD and one at emergency ward at Government Medical College, Jalgaon. Sanitizer chambers were designed with poster and informative pictures to create awareness regarding this preventive measures and symptoms of corona which will help the public. Rotary Safe Bazaar. During this time of crisis of COVID-19, to safeguard the people, we came up with a unique concept of safe vegetable market with no profit, no loss basis and with proper social distancing and sanitization. We provided employment to 30 Bachat Gat women and 20 daily wage laborers. We got a very huge response from people and lot of appreciation by social media, news media and political leaders. 14,500 families were benefited by this project. Vocational service. A seminar was arranged for Bachat Gat wherein Mrs. Shobha Patil, President of Vivekanand Pratishthan, Mrs. Revati Shendurnikar, Director Udmi Mahila Pathasanstha and our own past President Rotarian Nitin Redasani guided these groups about the marketing technique to expand their business and also emphasized on the quality control and importance of packaging and presentation of the products. And also 2 days fair was arranged to boost their business. Nation Build Award. 15 teachers from 3 distinct schools, Utkarsh Matimand Vidyalaya, Shravan Vikas Mandir and SHARP project run by Asha Foundation were felicitated for their selfless service to the children. As January month is vocational month, we felicitate 6 iconic personalities who have done praiseworthy work in different arenas of cultural, sports, education, social, medical and industrial sectors on Rotary platform by Rotary Gaurav Puraskar. Club service, an important aspect of Rotary. The club service plays a vital role to create a bond amongst the members through various events and programs. It also creates awareness through talk shows and public meetings. Various talk shows and live discussion or current issues were organized like Jalgaonkarancha Trasala Jawabdar Kon. A talk show was organized to raise an issue of the horrifying conditions of the roads of Jalgaon in which Mayor, Municipal Commissioner and MLA of Jalgaon were invited. Live discussion was organized for college students on Article 370 and 35A and also on Citizenship Amendment Act. On occasion of World Mental Health Day, a seminar on Prevent Suicide was arranged for the students of 2 different colleges. The renowned psychiatrist Rotarian Dr. Mayuru Mute of our club guided the students on the issue of suicide amongst the students. And on the same day, a very informative session was arranged on farmers committing suicide. Similarly, our weekly committee came up with unique ideas of celebrating the important days in weekly meeting like on occasion of Ashadi Ekadashi, interactive session was arranged with 6 iconic Rotarians from different clubs of Jalgaon. They shared their experiences and journey of Rotary. On the occasion of Friendship Day, we felicitate the groups formed by the friends who came together for a cause like Ami Maitrini Group, Parivartan Group, Rising Rider Groups, Jalgaon Runners Group and Arogya Aadhar Group. Picnic was arranged at Unnap for fun and frolic wherein Annets were felicitated for their academic achievements. On the eve of Kojagiri, Antakshari competition with Garba night was arranged and on Makar Sankranti, Patang Utsav with Bharit Party, a famous Khandeshi picnic was arranged. As August month is Rotary membership month, new members induction ceremony was arranged in which 23 new members were inducted including 6 female members by DGE Rotarian Ramesh Mayer. This year 98% members retained and growth rate was 14%. We had sponsored 4 new institute-based Rotary Club in the Rotary year 2019-20. The 2 mega district events, District Seminar on Literacy and Foundation and Roto Sports 2019 were hosted by our club. Roto Sports 2019 is a grand sports event of Rotary District 3030 in which 300 members were participated. Fund raised to this event is used for our upcoming Global Grant project of ICCU in Godavari Medical College. Contribution to Rotary Foundation. 14 members became Paul Harris Fellows. Past President Rotarian Sandeep Kabra, Past President Rotarian Nitin Redasani, Past President Rotarian Dr. Rajesh Patil, Rotarian Dr. Sushil Kumar Rane, Past President Rotarian Anant Bode, Rotarian Tushar Chitte, Rotarian Chandrakant Satra, Rotarian Gopal Pimplikar, Rotarian Lalit Maniyar, Rotarian Piyush Maniyar, Rotarian Nilesh Agrawal, Rotarian Mahesh Soni, Rotarian Atul Kokta, Rotarian Sachin Patel. This year we got a good coverage from print media. Almost all projects and events were highlighted, and some of our projects like Rotary Safe Bazaar is covered by almost all Marathi news channels and local channels of Jalgaon. Thanks to all past presidents and members for their support and guidance which made this year a memorable year.